Hello children, we are back with a beautiful new story today. Excited? So am I. So the title of today's story is Little Girl and the Swan Geese. Once there was a peasant and his wife, and they had a little girl and a little boy. Daughter, said mother to her little girl, we are going out to work, so look after your little brother. If you are a good girl and do not run out into the street, we shall buy you a new kerchief. Kerchief माने hanky. Father and mother went away. The little girl never stopped to think about what she had been told. She seated little brother on the grass under the window, ran out into the street and began to play with her friends, forgetting all about everything. क्या कहा था उसकी मदर ने? बाहर जाकर के मत खेलना, अच्छे बच्चे की तरह घर में रहोगे, भाई का ध्यान रखोगे तो हैंकरचिफ मिलेगा. But she forgot. So let's see what happened next. Suddenly a flock of swan geese came flying up. देख रहे हैं? इस बर्ड को कहते हैं swan geese. They swooped down, caught up little brother and carried him off on their wings. ये देखिए, वो उसके छोटे भाई को उठा करके उड़ गए. Little girl came home. She looked, but alas, little brother was gone. She ran here and there, but not a sign of him did she find. She began calling him, and she wept and sobbed, but little brother did not reply. कैसे रिप्लाई करता भाई? उसे तो स्वान गीस उड़ा करके ले गई थी. अब पछताए होत क्या? जो गड़बड़ होनी थी वो तो हो गई. She ran out into the open field, but there was nothing she could see. Some swan geese were flying beyond the dark forest. She knew that it was they who had carried off her brother. Folks said that swan geese were wicked birds who stole little children. उसने सुन रखा था लोगों से कि ये जो स्वान गीस हैं ये छोटे बच्चों को चुरा करके ले जाती हैं. So away the little girl ran after the birds. She ran and she ran till she came to an oven. Oven जानते हैं ना? तंदूर. Oven, oven, tell me where the swan geese have flown. Eat one of my rye cakes and I will tell you, said the oven. What? Me? Eat a rye cake? At home we do not eat even wheat cakes. So the oven did not tell her. Little girl ran on a bit further and saw an apple tree. Apple tree, tell me where the swan geese have flown. Eat one of my wild apples and I will tell you, said the tree. At home we do not eat even garden apples. So the apple tree did not tell her. Little girl ran on till she came to Milk River with jelly banks. Milk River with jelly banks, tell me where the swan geese have flown. Have some of my jelly with milk and I will tell you. At home we do not eat jelly with cream even. So Milk River did not tell her. Little girl ran about the fields and woods for a long time. And now the day was giving way to evening and there was nothing for her to do but go home. All at once she saw a hut on hen's feet, very tidy and neat, turning round and round without a sound. The hut had one window and inside the hut sat Baba Yaga, the witch, spinning cotton. And on the bench sat little brother playing with silver apples. अब सोचो, हैरानी की बात है ना कि जो हट है वो मुर्गी के पैरों पर थी और गोल गोल घूम रही थी. और अंदर कौन था? एक विच, एक जादूगरनी. Little girl went in. Good evening, Granny. Good evening, lass. What brings you here? Lass जानते हैं? Lass का मतलब होता है छोटी लड़की. In the fields and woods have I walked all day. Over marshes and swamps have I made my way. My frock is wet through, so I have come to you to get warm. आप जानते हैं marshes and swamps क्या होते हैं? जंगल में या किसी जगह पे जब थोड़ी सी गीली जगह होती है, मतलब रिवर या पॉन्ड नहीं, लेकिन थोड़ा पानी और गीली मिट्टी होती है, तो उसे मार्श या स्वैम्प कहते हैं. Sit down then and spin some cotton. Baba Yaga gave little girl the spindle and herself went out. And little girl sat there spinning when all of a sudden a mouse ran out from under the stove and said to her, एक मिनट, आप जानते हैं स्पिंडल क्या होता है? ये चरखा, इसे स्पिंडल कहते हैं. So the mouse said, Lassie, Lassie, give me some porridge and I will tell you something. Little girl gave it some porridge and the mouse said, Baba Yaga has gone to light a fire in the bathhouse. She will steam you and wash you, roast you in the oven and eat you up, and then roll around on your bones. Little girl sat there more dead than alive, and she wept and sobbed. But the mouse went on, Make haste, take little brother and run away, and I will spin the cotton for you. अब उस लिटिल गर्ल ने क्योंकि माउस को पॉरेज दिया था खाने को, उसकी मदद करी थी, so the mouse also wanted to help her. So little girl took little brother in her arms and ran off. Baba Yaga came up to the window every once in a while and asked, Are you spinning, lass? And mouse would answer, Yes, I am, Granny. Baba Yaga made a fire in the bathhouse and came for little girl, but the hut was empty. Baba Yaga cried, Off you go, swan geese, fly and catch them. Little girl has carried off little brother. Little girl ran until she came to Milk River, and she could see the swan geese coming after her and little brother. Milk River, hide me, do, cried the little girl. Eat some of my plain fruit jelly. Little girl ate some and said, Thank you. So Milk River hid her and her brother in the shadow of its fruit jelly banks. And the swan geese never saw them and flew past. Little girl ran on again, but the swan geese turned back and flew straight towards her. At any moment they might see her. What was the little girl to do? On she ran and she came across the apple tree. Apple tree, hide me, do. Eat my wild apples. Little girl ate one quickly and said, Thank you. And the apple tree hid her and little brother in its leaves and branches. देख रहे हैं कैसे छुपा दिया उन दोनों को? The swan geese never saw them and flew past. Little girl picked up her brother and ran on again. She ran and she had almost reached home when the swan geese caught sight of her. They honked and flapped their wings, and in another minute would have taken away little brother out of her arms. So little girl ran up to the oven. Oven, hide me, do. Eat one of my rye cakes. Little girl popped a piece of cake into her mouth and herself crawled into the oven with her brother. The swan geese flew round and round, screaming and honking, but after a while they gave it up and flew back to Baba Yaga. Little girl said thank you to the oven and ran home with her brother. And before long, father and mother came home too. अब एक बात तो हमने सीखी थी कि जो बड़े कहते हैं वो मानना चाहिए है, और दूसरी बात क्या सीखी हमने कि किसी की भी इंसल्ट नहीं करनी चाहिए. जैसे पहले उसने अवन की, ट्री की, रिवर की उसने इंसल्ट करी तो उन्होंने हेल्प ही नहीं करी, लेकिन बाद में जब उसने लड़की ने दोबारा हेल्प मांगी कि मुझे छुपा लो, मुझे और मेरे भाई को, तब उन्होंने जब सेम डिमांड रखी कि जैसे पेड़ ने कहा कि मेरा एक वाइल्ड एप्पल खा लो, रिवर ने कहा कि मेरी ये जेली खा लो, तो उसने चुपचाप से वो चीज़ें खाई. ना सिर्फ खाई बट उनको थैंक यू भी बोला. अब थैंक यू से क्या हुआ कि उन लोगों ने लिटिल गर्ल और उसके भाई को छुपने में मदद करी, इसीलिए वो स्वान गीस उसको पकड़ नहीं पाए और वो घर ठीक ठाक पहुंच गई अपने भाई के साथ। अंत भला तो सब भला। आई होप ये स्टोरी सबको पसंद आई।